So this is the construction for the bookcase. 3 shelves, all alike in dignity in fair Verona where we lay. Sorry, I'm getting a bit distracted. So a little dab of glue in each of the inserts. There's a definite amount of glue that you need. It needs to be strong, and there's a definite side that they go in. Can you see the width? At the back of the bookcase, slightly wider from the gap than the front. So they do need to be going that way around. It's kind of crucial. And you can see that I'm sticking it in. Am I right? I think I may be wrong. I think I may be that the wide part is at the front. Either way, you can see which way it fits together. A dab of glue on each side, and I've got the other side of the bookcase ready to place in. You might need a third pair of hands, or a friend, if you have one, to pop in place, and try and keep this as true as possible. With the gluing, if you can glue it flat, lock it into place, that'd be really handy. It'll end up looking like that.